Okay, good morning, algebra students. Another day of inequalities. So it's sometimes it gets a little fuzzy. Just bear with me. I think you can manage. Get your calculator out if you need it. We are solving equations today and for the next few days. Okay, so here we go. If I want to solve this equation, I'm going to do it just like I would a normal equation. This is an inequality. So I want to get x by itself. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides, okay? And I get x, that's gone, greater than or equal to -4. So this is the solution. So this would get you part of the points on the formative or on the next summative. Now to graph it, I want you to make a graph and have 3 lines on it. The number that is -4 goes in the middle, and then -5 and -3. Please be careful. Your number line actually needs to make sense. Every year I have 9th graders saying -4, -5, -6 on either side. No, no, no. Okay, and now it is a filled in circle because it's greater than or equal to. And which way am I going to shade for greater than? Always to the right. Okay, so this is the solution. This is the graph. You have to do both parts. Okay, solve and graph. Okay, so I'm going to add 5 to get x by itself. Okay, and what happens? I still have x. The 5 goes away. It's a less than, and I have 2. So when I graph it, again, I'm going to have 3 numbers. The middle number is going to be the solution, and then the number line needs to actually make sense. It's a hollow circle today, and it should shade to the left because it's just a less than, not a less than or equal to. Okay, solve and graph. So again, I'm going to add 2, okay, and get b is greater than -7. So again, be careful. -7, -8 is on that side, -6 is on this side. Hollow circle, it's a greater than, so that's the way greater than goes. Number 2, I'm going to add 3. I just want to highlight, be careful with that graphing. M is less than or equal to 8. So on my number line, 8 is in the middle, 7 is before it, 9 is on the other side, filled in circle because it's less than or equal to, and less thans go to the left. And the last but not least, I'm going to add 1/4. I'm going to add 1/4. Now this one is tricky, pay attention. Okay, that part goes away. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. Okay, but 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Now I need the variable on the left and the number on the right. Now, the pointy part is pointing at the y, and the number that's being eaten is 1/2. So that is my solution. So be careful. And I'm going to have 1/2, 0, 1. Think about that. They go in half increments. So again, I need the variable on the left. Okay, it's a hollow circle, and it's a less than, so I'm going to shade that way. Okay, again, just more of these, so just kind of watch through or work it out. -8, so you get y, the 8 goes away, less than or equal to -3. So we have -3. Again, be careful. That it should be a -4. That should be a -2. People do make mistakes. Fill in the circle. And did you think, does that make sense to shade that way? Okay. Part B, -1.4 from both sides. If you need your calculator, this would be a great time. -8 minus 1.4 is negative 9.4 is less than m, but I need the m on the left and the number on the right. And now our little sign m is getting eaten and the pointy part is going towards the number. So make sure it's like that. And for these decimals, I'm going to have negative 9.4 in the middle, negative 9.5, and negative 9.3 surrounding it. So make it just nice and easy. Again, a hollow circle, and it's a greater than. So greater than numbers are always further right. If you want to do some more of these, keep going with me. If not, keep fast forward to the end if you want. Minus 5. K is less than or equal to negative 8. So again, negative 8, negative 9, negative 7. Just another one of these to make sure. Fill it in and go this way. Okay, I'm going to do one more because I just want to make sure for a fraction you have 1/6 minus 1/6 because that's the opposite of plus 1/6. Don't think all fractions you need to think reciprocal. You're just getting rid of it by doing the inverse. The inverse of adding is subtracting. 5/6 minus 1/6 is 4/6. 4/6 reduced is 2/3. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, but I want the variable on the left and the fraction on the right. And then it's eating the z and pointing at the 2/3. So again, kind of the same thing as decimals. If this is 2/3, this is 1/3, and this is 3/3, also known as 1/2 if you want. Fill it in, go that way. Okay? Okay, I'm going to skip the last one. Then just a little word problem. So just be careful. A circuit overloads at 1800 watts. You plug in the microwave that uses 1100 watts. So anything, once the microwave hits 1800 watts, it's going to shut off. Write and solve an inequality, okay, that represents this. So if you can see down here, the watts used plus any additional watts means it's going to overload and kick out. So does it make sense that 1100 plus additional wattage that we have left, so this is your microwave, and it can't be any more than 1800, that's a less than. If it hits 1800, it's already gone, okay? And then to solve that, does it make sense that you can use less than 700 more watts? Any more than that, it's going to go, okay? If it hits 700 watts, it's going to go, So think about this. These are all inequalities. So when I say write the inequality, right here is the writing of the inequality. Solving the inequality is right at the end. In between is all of that work. Okay? Okay. So this one says, a shirt that you want to buy costs $15.50. You can use a $5 discount coupon if you spend at least $20. Write and solve an inequality. So a shirt that you want to buy costs $15.50. So $15.50, okay, is what the shirt costs. It says write and solve an inequality that represents how much more you need to spend to use the $5 coupon. So you need to spend at least $20. This $5 coupon is actually not part of it at all. It's just saying we have to get to $20. So the shirt plus an additional cost, I don't know, has to be at least. So that or more of $20. If you get to 20, it works. If you get to $19.99, it doesn't. So this coupon stuff is actually deceiving. We don't even need that $5. So the cost of the shirt plus any more has to be more than $20, and we can use that coupon. Okay? Okay. To solve this, I would just minus $15.50 minus $15.50, doing it in reverse colors. So how much more cost would you need to add? $4.50. So you would need to spend at least $4.50 to get that $5 off coupon. Would that be a good choice? Yeah, because then you get it kind of for free. Anyway, homework, make sure you're doing the work before you do check it and take the quiz. When you're doing the worksheet, if you're not printing it out, please label it in your notebook. Okay. Have a great day, all.